Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at Bracken Ghyll Golf Club with member and fellow YouTuber Jonny Plays Golf. How you doing, mate?
I'm excellent, thank you.
We've just played a 9-hole match on Jonny's channel, so I'll link that down below. Definitely go and check it out. It was good fun.
It certainly was.
The wind today is hectic, like properly hectic, isn't it?
Yeah, it's tough today. It's not a long course by any stretch of the imagination, but this is
Challenging.
Yeah, this is going to be a test.
It's eaten us up a little bit. That's the only spoiler I'll give you. Make sure you go and check his video out and his channel. But we're starting on the 10th here, another 9-hole match, stroke play. I get 4 shots because Jonny's a 2 handicap. I'm playing off 9. So I got 3 on the front 9, 4 on the back. Starting with a par 3, it's hole 10, 134 yards. Let's get going. Good luck.
Good luck, my friend.
Good luck.
Enjoy.
Right, it's 134 yards this hole. Little par 3 bunker on the left, but just with the wind, like the wind is howling, I'm gonna punch a 7. It feels a lot of club, but I think it is the shot.
What a line. Go.
Dancing maybe?
Yeah, it's going to be a tasty putt, but it's still a putt.
Yeah, it doesn't look an easy one, but I might be on the green.
I've got an 8 iron.
That's what I was toying with.
Yeah, I'm concerned it's not enough club. But
yeah, I didn't hit that 7 iron hard.
Yeah, the last thing you want to do with a back right flag is go long, so take my medicine, aim for the middle of the green, and try and execute. Get out of the air.
Oh, it looks very good, is it?
Yeah, I think it's short of the flag, but I'm quite happy with that, honestly.
Yeah, I'd take it. Strong start from the boy. Right, annoyingly, I've wound up just in this collar, and I can't really put through it. So I'm just going to pump a pitching wedge over it, really, and just try and nestle it up as close as I can.
Oh, look at those hands.
What about that?
Yeah, that was pretty tasty.
What about that, mate?
Still a bit of work left. The wind is like 20 miles an hour, so even good shots can get punished on here. It's just 2 putt and get out of here. Well, the only good news there is that I'm going to get a read off Luke.
Just inside.
Oh, that wasn't very good, Luke.
It looked like it did some bobbling, though.
A lot of deliberation here.
It is. It's a big game, mate. It's a big game. Big challenge. And he's pushed it.
Oh, dear.
Door is ajar.
Oh, dear.
The door is very much ajar.
Suddenly the game is afoot.
How's his nerve?
Not great. If previous is anything to go by. And we did.
Good putts. And he claws 1 stroke ahead straight away.
That's nice to see.
I'm going to need those strokes.
Okay, I've got the box on the 11th, which is nice. I don't really fancy giving that up for a while.
To be honest, I'm just glad to be able to see the line for a change.
Yeah, well, let me hit first. It's quite a straight par 4, but everything bounces left, but it is downwind, so bombs away at that post in the distance. Oh my God, the wind has taken that so far.
I mean, that is straight bombed.
It's gone a long way, but not in the right direction.
Okay, I was thinking that looked a bit left.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting the wind to be that aggressive, but I'll find it.
Spoken with such confidence.
Yeah, I'll be fine now.
I think I was going to start it on this right post and hopefully the wind brings it back.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's nodding. He's hoping I'd left it into trees after that, I think.
There is OB right and left here, just
Is
saying.
there? It's tough. Okay, maybe I'll air between the 2 then, I think.
Beauty.
Yeah. 2 long, if not slightly left drives.
I think some people would pay good money for that tee shot, honestly.
Right, I've got about 122. So wind is helping. So I'm going to play this out to the right. Big slopey lie, so this should go left. Wind also going that way. You've got to hit the ball though, haven't you?
Luke, just don't miss it left is the main end of the conversation. Yeah.
Right, okay.
Oh, that's got to go.
Oh no, it's not got there. I didn't commit to it at all.
That's going to be interesting from there, my friend.
Oh dear.
Good luck with that.
Mistake.
Joy of joys, I'm in play. Never really been down here before though, so...
Some drive that. Absolutely piped.
Well, luckily it was downwind and downhill. Straight across right to left wind, so I'm just going to try and start this 20 feet right and hope it gets somewhere near with a 52 degree. Not easy in these conditions. That needs to go a long way left. Bit of a brain fade there, ladies and gents.
We can play golf. Please stick with us. We can play golf.
I struck it well.
Between the two of us, there was a good shot in there somewhere.
Yeah, if you'd have put 2 and 2 together, maybe, yeah.
Man, I don't have much green to work with here. If I'm inside 15, 20 feet, I think I'm going to be happy. I'm all the way back here.
Oh no!
Poo. Absolutely poo. All right, take 2. Struggling a bit here. Oh, run on, please. What's happened? What's going on?
Okay, it wasn't actually as bad an approach as I thought, although I have missed the green. But we're pin high. Luke's in a bit of bother. Try and trickle this down, drop in the front door, and then celebrate wildly. Go. Go. Please go. Oh.
It's a bit tasty, that, isn't it?
I'm quite happy with that.
It is very tasty, is that?
Thank you.
He's not messing about on this back 9.
Absolutely not. I'm here to win on Luke's channel. If you have to carry him home in a body bag, then we will.
Wow, I didn't think he was that serious. Oh, could not trust it went that much that way.
Pace was good.
Yeah. Double. Double? Double.
Oh dear. Wow.
So all of a sudden, 3 shots back, and I only get 4 on the back 9.
Things are looking good, but...
They're not looking good. Don't believe him.
Long way to go. Okie dokie, so I think I gained at least 1 stroke there on poor old Luke.
Definitely. Oh, well, yeah, I got a shot. Did I get a shot on that one?
You did, yeah.
Okay, so it was only 1 in the end.
This is the longest par 4 on the course at 410 yards. But we're downwind off the right again, so...
Stroke index 3.
Smash the driver down there and hope it stays in play, I think.
Lead the way, my friend.
Simple thought process, but try not to overcomplicate the game.
Wow.
It's a bit left again.
Get smashed. See you later, ball.
It's left of where I was aiming, but I'm in play.
Near that red stick, do you think? Like that sort of line?
Yeah, yeah.
Wind does take it left a bit, doesn't it? So I'm going to go over the bunker, I think.
It's friendly.
Very friendly. Nestled up near a tree, I think.
I think you'll be fine there. It was nicely struck.
Yeah. 147. It's not often that I will hit a 260-yard drive and be comfortably outdriven by my playing partner. Shows you the standard today, boys.
Well, I mean, I wouldn't get too ahead of yourself because I can't see my ball, so...
It's not behind me, put it that way. 140 with this wind, it's probably a 9-iron.
Yeah, it plays downhill a bit as well.
Yeah.
Might get a flyer from the rough as well.
Yeah, it's a weird lie actually, isn't it? Comfy swing. Let's see if we can put it on the green.
Don't miss it left, Luke. I'm being genuine.
You told me that last time and I missed it short.
That looks rather nice.
Oh, yeah, it's just, stay there please. It's just off the green, front edge.
That's a good shot, that, my friend.
Thank you very much.
Nicely done. 133 front, downwind off the right.
That's the face of today, that, isn't it?
It's going to have to be a 120 shot. Let it all feed down to the left and hope for the best. Luke's in a good position, so I need to snap on here. Keep coming.
Oh! Is it
Putting?
on? Is it on? I'm
don't
not
know.
sure.
I can't see.
It didn't quite turn enough, did it? Oh, back edge, I think.
Oh my word.
He's piped it. Back
Of all
edge
the places, I didn't think I'd be there.
back edge of the green. I'd say 3-putt territory, but you're too good at putting.
Don't agree with you there, I'm afraid.
Be some putt this, mate.
What's that, my friend? So far away. I'm on another continent. I don't even know if it's on the green, but anything close to the hole. Go that way.
Pretty good.
I mean, I've been
Pretty good.
so good with those putts today that you might as well just give me that.
Okay, inside Jonny would be ideal.
I reckon you can hole this.
Yeah, I need to get that last chip out my head and out of the system. Not bad.
Delightful. I'd give you that, but that's not stroke play, I'm afraid. In other news, can I have this?
Good, good. Never.
Can you also read it for me?
Yeah, I think it's 3 foot right.
Fortunately, the one benefit of hitting it 3.5 feet past is you can see which way it breaks. So, with that information, I actually need to hit it where I'm aiming.
Big putt this. Big putt.
Could have done without that added pressure. How has that stayed there?
I've no idea because it looked great. Okay.
What a disgusting 5, that hurts.
Could I steal one back here? I'm actually going to line it up. You've got to take this seriously. You can't just take these
From
for
a
granted.
foot?
Do you know what I mean?
You could sneeze on that and that'll go in.
Play your own game. Don't bow to peer pressure, people.
The
If
ball
you need
doesn't
to line up a foot putt, line it up.
The ball looks like you've sneezed on it.
Imagine I miss it now.
No.
That would have been good comedy.
So aggressively holed.
One shot back.
Yeah, well done.
Right on to hole 13, Nook Bit, 138 yards. I've zapped it at 141. Stroke index 17 though, so sadly no stroke here. 7 iron because it's straight into the teeth of the wind. I'm hoping this just gets hammered and ends up on the green somewhere. Let's have a go.
Oh dear, where are you going? Lumber?
Do you think re-tee?
No.
No,
No, you'll be fine.
just, it will not be ideal.
No.
We're just sort of taking it in turns to blow up on holes. Keep it interesting.
Yeah, thanks for the information. I've no idea where that's gone, so nothing whatsoever has been learned from it. So I'm hitting an 8 iron and I'm praying that hit the green. I'm very concerned this isn't enough club.
My only feedback is just don't pull it straight left, mate.
Yeah, that would be advisable. Wouldn't rule it out.
Oh, he's blocked it. Two very, very interesting golf shots there.
They were absolutely awful
Dreadful.
for completely different reasons.
Golf shots.
Jeez. Deary me.
Oh dear.
Right, my tee shots are darn sight better than Luke's, who's off into the lumberjack zone. Still not great. I'm in the rough. It's all sloping away from me. So I'm just going to try and dump this on the green and roll it down to the hole. Well, I should have known that was going left. The pace was all right though.
2 club lengths drops, unfortunately, because I'm in there. It's average. Johnny's put it to about 10 feet, did you say?
Yeah, something like that.
I need to hold this then. Oh dear. Oh dear.
No words.
Need to screw the head back on here.
Go.
It's just all very average.
Not covering ourselves in glory here at all,
Really
are
not,
we?
mate.
Calamitous scenes from Luke. Finally I get a go, but this is for par now, so I'm not exactly tearing it up myself. And that won't reach.
No, I was going to say that'd be a kick in the teeth if you'd have dropped that.
Deary me. Another bogey for me, unfortunately. Damage done by the tee shot, I think.
Yeah. Catchphrase of the day, it's tough conditions, mate.
Certainly is.
Doesn't explain why you can't chip from 30 yards though.
Oh no.
We've really not holed anything, have we?
No. The hole doesn't seem to exist for either of us.
No, we need to get within an inch and then we can tap in.
Even that's not a given at the minute. How many was that? 6?
4, 5, 6. 2 shot swing.
Boy. So after that pillow fight on the last, it was rather handed to me by Luke.
Just a bit.
Yeah. But we now have a nice downhill par 5, so it's 500 yards, significantly downhill. So I'm just going to hammer driver like I've been doing previously.
You've been flawless with this club. Oh, it's another beauty.
Just a bit left. That'll be fine.
Yeah?
Yeah, just left of where you want to be, but I'll take it. Like all my tee shots have gone left.
I'm going to aim at that big tree. You think the wind took that a bit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're not going to clean your ball?
I know, it's a disgrace, isn't it?
Disgusting.
Ooh, toey.
Oh.
Really toey. Dead Amonda.
Oh no, he didn't have a ball.
Bags a mile away. Okay, take 2 then. I'm assuming I'll never see that ball again.
Oh, you might get lucky.
God, that was an awful strike.
That's absolutely fine.
That's where you said to miss.
Yeah.
Could do with not missing though. Playing this provisional, Johnny has very kindly just offered to go look for my first ball while I hit this, so I don't have any course knowledge for a change. But I look up 250 away from the green, it's all downhill. I think I can hit a shot safely to 30. So I am going to hit 2 iron, just in the general direction, hope for the best. Oh, it's gone left. I could have expertly played that into the trees. Not sure.
I'm way left. Fortunately for me, I'm so far left that I'm actually fine. And it's actually quite a good angle from here, so 210, and believe it or not, I'm hitting a 7 iron.
You say 210's a 7 iron?
Simply because
It's all downhill.
I'm only trying to hit this like 170 and it'll roll down to the green. That's the plan anyway.
Monster that.
That is not what you want to do on someone else's channel. That's a stone cold Sherman tank, ladies and gents. Dear me.
I'm sorry. Please don't click off.
What a layup.
I was relying on Johnny for the good golf. Right, it's 140 playing 126, all downhill. So I'm just going to try and hit a big draw around these trees. This is going to be difficult.
Oh my.
It's just stopped on the green. Got away with it there.
Luke's actually hit a really good shot there. We won't talk about what I've just done. I laid up, and now I've just got a little 9-iron to chip it through here, roll it down to the green. Hopefully stick it tight and make the worst birdie on YouTube. That needs to sit.
Wow, that got speed boosted.
Yeah, I hit that miles too far. Tough scene.
Where's the white flag? I surrender. This course is killing me.
Playing this hole like an absolute buffoon. But we're still chipping for birdie, so if I can get this up and down, I've made a par. And I'll probably snap your hand off for that at this stage after a shank. Come on. Get in.
Oh my word, he called it. He absolutely called it.
What on earth is going on?
Get in.
I'm so sorry, everyone. I don't normally play golf like this.
How do you answer that?
That's the worst four ever. But I'm not going to complain.
Oh, you've got to respect that. He's called it and then chipped it in. After watching me struggle, he gave me a lifeline and then he ripped the rug straight from under the feet.
I feel awful.
Well, I need to drain this now. Which seems unlikely. Oh, you can't catch the ground. Oh dear.
Quite the contrast.
Remember me saying how the golfer changes on the turn? It's like the guy who was on the front nine gets in the car and goes home, and someone else just takes my place. It's inexplicable.
That's better. Ooh. That was a much better putt.
I almost don't even want to count those strokes, mate.
I'm too scared to ask.
I don't want to count them.
We've seen just about everything on that hole.
You've seen all corners of the hole. Everywhere. I can't take the tee box off you, mate. I mean, I'm not even coming close at this point.
I've absolutely no words to describe what we've just seen there either, so I'll tell you about 15 instead. It's not a long hole at 338, but it's quite a long way uphill and the wind's into off the left, so it turns it into quite the beast.
Brilliant.
Drive is very important. You've got to start it up the left and let it drift back. I've hit a fairway, ladies and gents. Fortunately, it's the wrong one.
So bad it's good?
Yeah, it's actually perfect up there.
So bad it's good?
Yeah. I wouldn't recommend it, but you take it. Deary me.
I could have done with one of them on the previous hole, so bad it's good. So this is stroke index 5, so I do get a shot. Let's see if I can actually make use of it this time. Oh no, you... That ball Houdini'd. Do you think it just went straight past it?
I think it just went towards those trees past the wall.
Make use of his driver, he says.
We could not be further apart either.
This is hideous.
It could have been worse.
Playing 165-ish. Yeah, it could have been a lot worse. I think I've got to go for it. I'm too far behind.
I like the sound of this.
I'm too far behind.
Yeah, you go for it.
7-iron.
The wind will help you.
That's what I'm thinking and hoping. Oh, not with that it won't. You see it?
No.
I'm afraid it's one of them. Dennis will know which music I mean, but it's the violins, unfortunately, is what I need here.
Well out.
That's all you got to do. Should have done it the first time.
That was vile.
Shot 4. I'm really, really nursing this course now, unfortunately. I got 94 yards. I'm just going to sort of feel a gap wedge there. Safe to say the feeler's gone.
Get up.
Oh, just short.
We're getting closer, Luke.
Please go and watch Johnny's video. I did play well on there.
We've finally arrived at my ball after poor Luke's had a few struggles, shall we say. I'm in the wrong fairway, but it's a fairway nonetheless. Just try and get this on the green. Give myself a birdie putt. Or maybe even a chip might be the way forward. Oh, that's got to go.
Ooh.
I'm hoping that Luke's going to give me something, but he's given me nothing, so it's not good.
That is not nice.
Yeah, when it rains, it pours. I'm not going to lie, guys. I have absolutely no idea how to play this. It's usually a case of close the face down and just stab, but then I run the risk of not getting out of the bunker.
I honestly think your best hope is you hit the lip of that bunker so hard it goes backwards so you get out on your second go. If you get this out of here, I'm going home. Wow.
How? Well, that's even worse.
That is worse, but I'm well impressed you got that out. I thought I was dead and buried, but Johnny's found his own troubles. So maybe he's given me a chance. Who knows?
Ooh, ooh. Oh, it's so bad. Help me, Luke. I escaped the bunker into even worse position. Well, I can get this out. Yeah, it's a stab and hope towards the green. Anything on the green. I might even go back in the bunker if I'm not careful. Oh, this is the stuff of nightmares. Not lost my turn, unsurprisingly. The lie's abysmal. Stay on the green. Oh no.
Get me a rock, mate. What are we doing here?
When will it end?
Right, come on, Johnny. Sort us out.
I just want the hole to be over. Get me on the green.
Okay, I apologise for the standard of golf from a pair of us here. It's not good. It's not acceptable.
Ooh. We almost had a good shot.
Can you imagine? Finish on that. It's abysmal again.
I need to end this pain. Please let it end.
Oh, what a putt!
Golf doesn't make sense, and I hate it.
Unbelievably, I made a shot back on that hole. I hope you enjoyed the trials and tribulations of two woeful golfers for a hole only there. Another par 5, this one's all downhill. I'm assuming I want to peel this off your trolley?
No.
No.
OB is left.
Oh, okay. Big time right then.
Yeah, so down the tree line with the draw.
Yeah, and the wind's coming this way.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, so down the right. I had no idea what it was on about. Not that it matters, the driver's got a mind of its own.
Yeah, wind's pulling it back. You might have found a fairway.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, we're in the centre of a fairway. Please, no autographs. What's going on?
Good shot.
Right, follow that up, Johnny. I feel like we both need a confidence builder after that.
I genuinely can't believe what I'm doing or what's happening or anything. But I can tell you that I'm going to hit this as hard as I physically can.
I mean, it's piped.
I need wind desperately. It's really trying.
Oh, it's in play.
I have actually got away with that. I don't know how, but I have.
It's in play. Lovely. The Zapper says 267, but we think about 250-ish shot. But if we hit it 210 all the way downhill, you never know, we might get there.
I believe in you here, Luke.
2 good shots back to back is asking a lot.
It is.
And this is plumb centre of the fairway, so the odds are saying this could be dicey.
Come on.
Positive mental attitude.
I want to see an eagle putt.
Why are you going left though?
That's fine.
Yeah?
Yeah, just caught the rough.
Pitch on.
Hopefully.
Hopefully we see it again.
I've launched a bit of a bomb. I didn't think it was going to turn out as well as it did, but I'm lucky for the first time today, I feel like. Well, maybe not. I've got 236 playing 208, so I want to hit this about 180. So, nice 6 iron. And we'll pray for the ball getting on the green and not embarrassing myself further.
What a strike that is.
Stay there. Please bounce right somehow.
Front left.
I'll take that.
Front left, yeah, good shot.
Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. After the last hole's capitulation anyway.
Right, I've got 82 yards to the pin, but as you can see, this whole hole is mahusively downhill. So I'm just going to try and pitch this, maybe just 5-10 yard short of the green, and hopefully it rolls up. It's tough to judge, is this, really tough. That could be good, you know.
Golf shot!
Oh my word! Thank you very much.
Right, Luke's hit an absolutely saucy shot in, so if I can try and get this bump and run inside that, I'd be delighted. Got a little 50 degree, just going to roll it up the green. There's quite a lot of right to left in this, so. Sit, sit, sit.
It's not bad.
Tad aggressive.
It's not bad.
Just rolled out a bit further than I thought. Touch long with my chip there. But I've got an uphill putt for birdie. Slide this home and put a little bit of pressure on Luke.
Yeah, I could really do. No, I mean, you never want to see your partner miss a putt, but
I was hoping you might like the visual of seeing it going in.
that's very true.
But that's also very optimistic from me.
Oh, he's hammered it.
What do you mean?
That's hammer time.
Literally a foot past, just on completely the wrong line. Well, it's a par, I think, so
Yeah.
Can't really complain after the travesties of before.
Dun dun. Cue the heartbeat noises. Oh, wow. I thought I'd had that with too much break, you know.
Oh, devastating.
Heartfelt that.
Yeah, just wanted you to make a birdie.
2 pars from good positions. It's disappointing, but to be honest, it's what we've come to expect.
Yeah,
I think I'm 2 shots behind. If I'm wrong, the screen will tell you what the correct score is. But we're on to hole 17, it's par 3. It says 117 yards off the tee, which is probably playing about 122-ish. Pins at the back, it's slightly uphill. So I've got P wedge. Oh, mate. When your swing goes, it don't come back, does it? That it could be tubby bye-bye.
did you just say tubby bye-bye? I think, to be fair, you'll probably be on the path.
Oh dear.
If that's any consolation. It's absolutely dead as a doornail.
Okay. Can I putt from there?
No, I'm afraid. I've got the same club, but I'm hoping for a very different result. Just a chippy wedge straight at it.
That's how you do it.
Go in.
My God, I actually thought it nearly did.
Whoa, that would have literally just ended everything. I think it's short, I'm afraid. I got a bit too
it's
excited.
about that shot though, great shot.
There was some excitement there.
Okay, take 2 for me. I mean, after seeing that, talk about throwing a marker down. Hopefully I don't need this ball, but you never know. One left, one right. Right edge of the green, I think, that one. Hopefully that first one's in play. The misery continues, I'm afraid. The ball is gone. When it rains, it pours. So I'm here for 3.
Just chip in for 4, why not? Got a chance.
Oh! I thought you'd called another. Wow. Oh. What a weird game. Right, let's see a nice birdie.
Yeah, unfortunately after the histrionics on the tee box, I'm still 8 feet short. Unfortunately.
Hey, that's what golf's about, isn't it? Getting excited about.
Yeah, getting far too excited and realising you're not as good as you think you are. Left edge, let's make a 2.
Yeah, boy!
Hey, I can still play golf. It's deep inside somewhere.
I'm glad
Thanks,
someone's
mate.
putting on a show for you, because I certainly am not.
Well, only if the viewers have very short memories. Right, guys, we've made it to the last.
I'm gassed.
I don't know how we made it, but we have. It's only a short par 4, but it's uphill. I'm just going to welly drive and try and get on the green. I'm not actually sure I can reach, but
263, I think you probably have got it in the tank.
it plays like 290, so
What is it with the hill, yeah?
we'll give it a good go. Off the back of a 2, confidence is marginally higher than it was earlier.
Kaboom.
Nope, wind's taking it. That's what happens when you try and hit it too hard, it goes skew whiff.
Yeah, big time right. It should be fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay, just try and hit it 40 yards left of Jonny.
At least 40.
Somewhere in that fairway. I'll just come with you, mate.
Oh, that's so kind of you.
Yeah, I heard trees.
I think it's got through them. We'll go find it and hit it again.
If someone finds my swing, give us a call.
I deserve this, to be fair. Oh. Is he filming that? Oh.
Middle of the trees. I don't know if you could hear the wind, but it's been a howler today. 105. Let's see what we got. Pitching wedge. Not bad, you know.
I think you're
It might
putting.
even be putting, boys.
Okay, I might have been able to reach the green if I hadn't missed it 50 yards right. So that's what we've got. Into the wind, play it like 60, try and finish with a birdie. That's a bit long. I'll be putting though. I'll take it.
Okay, so I've just got off the back edge. I'm going to just chip it through the collar, I think, with a gap wedge. Give Jonny 2 seconds to catch his breath. Poor lad's just absolutely lugged his clubs up a hill.
It's no less than I deserve, Luke, I'll be honest.
His trolley's died on him.
Oh, it needs to get legs.
Ooh, wow, that goes right, quickly.
Okay, I'm also on the fringe, just long of pin high. I'm opting for putter, trying not to pass out, and try and roll this down to tapping range. See, mate? Wow, that's quick. Well, that's embarrassing.
Well, I looked good for a long time.
It's still going. Dan, you'll have to keep capturing me, I'm afraid. Not lost my turn somehow. One more good shot. Never mind.
Not bad.
Nearly. Set the scene.
In reality, you could have had another 5 shots. I think you'd still won. I've been that bad on this back nine. Pulled nothing. Well, it's been a pleasure, mate.
Thank you
Sorry
very
I
much.
didn't bring better golf.
I'm very apologetic for my game also.
Thanks for watching, guys. I think it's an easy win for Jonny. I've not done the calculations, but I don't think I need to. Thoroughly deserved in the end. Remember to check out his channel. I'll leave a link down in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.